friends, today I'm going to make those tortillas again because my previous video, you can see, was a little bit chaotic. We were having a little bit too much wine. Today is just going to be simple. You're not even going to see me, just my hands. So, we need, I'm doubling the batch. So, instead of 7 egg yolks, just the yolks. Just the yolks. I don't know if you can see them, just the yolks. So I use 14. This is a little bit dirty from a yolk because I was putting it in there, but I should have put it there because now it's 1 cup. Yes. The yolks come up to 1 cup. So that means we're going to use 1 cup of yolks, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup, I'm using canola oil, then 2 of these because you put Bertolini Lievito in 7 eggs, so we're using 14 eggs, so I'm using 2 of these, that's yeast. Then a cup of vermouth, I don't have the white one, so I am using the red one, alright? And then of course the flour. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the egg yolks in here. Okay, egg yolks. And sugar. So there was a cup of egg yolks, remember? Whatever the egg yolks measure up to, that's what the sugar is going to be. The cup, what the heck. So, we got that. I'm going to pour the sugar in here. Okay, cup of sugar. And now I'm going to mix it. Okay, so I beat the eggs, as you can see in this beater. They're nice. It's not called a beater. It's called an electric mixer. You can tell how much I bake. I call it the beater. Anyway, so nice and watery. Beautiful. I'm going to take them out now. So let's go back to preparing the rest. Okay, so all mixed nice and mixed together, the yolks, 14 yolks, cup of sugar. Now we need a cup of oil. I guess I can put it in here. Why not? Oh, mamma mia! We're gonna measure 1 cup of oil. 1 cup of oil, mamma mia! I'm gonna pour the canola oil in the bowl. Get every little bit out. Okie doke. Mix it up. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa. Cup. And what's next? Oh, the yeast. Bertolini Lievito vanilla. Vanilla, Bertolini Lievito. Bertolini. See? Bertolini Lievito. It's yeast. So because we doubled it, it's 2 packages because there's 1 package for 7 eggs. So 2 packages for 14. Put it in there. La, la, la. It's like a powder. A nudge. Put that there. I'll mix it a little bit. And put another one in there. Bertolini Lievito. I like saying that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll show you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, beautiful. Now we're going to let it rest just for a few minutes so it bubbles up, activates. Okay. And put this down. Let it activate. Okay, I'm going to measure a cup of vermouth. We're supposed to use the white one. I don't have it, so I'm using the red one. I hope it's okay. I don't think it's anything to do with the vermouth, but 1 cup of vermouth, just like the sugar, the oil, and the eggs, 1 cup. Since it's open, might as well have a little squig myself. A little squig for me. Whoa, a little squig. Alrighty. Put the vermouth back. Yep. And a salute a tutti. Cheers to all. Oh, come on. Followed by a little water chaser. Salute. Okay, we're gonna do the flour now. The Vermouth is still activating, so we're gonna activate. See? I'll show you. It's bubbling. Looks pretty good to me. I hope it works better than last time. I'm gonna measure my flour now. Okay, I'm gonna put the flour on my work area. Put this away. Put the flour. I guess I can measure it here. We'll start with 4. It's had sugar in it, so it's okay. Cups of flour. Oh, nearly gonna make a mess. Oh, 1 here. And I already cleaned this 100 times. Move my stuff up here. Okay. Making my well. So I'll make the well, 4 cups, okay? I don't think you have to watch me make a well. Okay, it's all activated now. It's all bubbly. We're gonna add the vermouth, 1 cup, just like the egg, sugar. And we're gonna mix it. Okay, mixing. La 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 la. Mix it well, right? So it takes a little bit. Okay, it's time to pour it in here. The last time I made it, after Claudia made it, I made it at home, remember? You saw the mess that felt. I poured this into all at once, and it went, I couldn't grab it, and it went over onto my socks, onto my cupboard, so on. Today, I'm gonna put it in the well, a little bit at a time, and mix it. Okay, here we go. Putting it in the well, mixing it, see? So it doesn't spill over. Mixing it, la 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 la, la da dee da da da, la da da, la da 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 la la. Yes, a little bit at a time. Not like I did it all at once, and I couldn't control it. It wasn't pretty, but it's okay. Live and learn, right? Live and learn, my darling, live and learn. Yes, you must live to learn. I was going to make it in a bowl, but Claudia made it on the counter, which I cleaned and cleaned again. I hope I don't have too much flour. I don't think so. La 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 I don't think you want to watch this, so I'm going to keep doing this. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm still mixing. I didn't get any on the floor. And I started with 6 cups. Actually, probably 5.5 to almost 6. And it's kind of mushy, so it looks like I'll be needing a little bit more flour. But pouring it a little bit at a time, I did not make a mess. Okay, put more flour. I can't tell you how much. Looks like to me I put 1/4 cup just now. Just until it comes smooth and it doesn't stick to your hand. Holy crap, this is the hardest part, I guess. When I was videoing it, when Claudia was doing it, it didn't look so hard, but then I wasn't doing it. I was drinking, videoing. What? I need some more flour. Probably another 1/4 cup. It's too sticky. Go a little bit at a time until you get the right consistency. Yeah, that's the word, consistency. Not on. What a workout. Should be using my other hand so I get the steps for this. That's okay. I am going to use my other hand because now it's starting to get a little bit hard. Excuse my armpits. Yeah. A little bit more flour. La 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 dee da 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 dee. Oh, mommy, I'll tell you. I think it looked that hard when Claudia did it. It's getting there. She said we need it hard. Yes, sirree. The harder the better. Not too hard though. Oh yeah, now it's kind of good. Yeah. Sorry, Bobby. Okay. I don't know if I need any more. I don't think so. Get this scoop off my hands. Whoa! Hey, sorry guys, I smacked into my tripod there. It's getting there. Oh, I gotta tell you, that's pretty good. Get this off of here. Da, 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 da. Holy mackerel. I need a little bit more. There. A bit too much. Oh. Okay. No more, I think. Yes, yes, yes. It's done, as you can see. Beautiful. I'm just gonna put it in here. Have a look. Don't hit it too hard. Don't let it rest. Just maybe about 10 minutes, and we'll get back to it. Okay? And I guess I gotta clean this mess. See you soon for the next steps of the Turdilli. Okay, let's check it out. Should be well rested. Buongiorno. Tesoro. How are you? Good? Okay. Now, I'm going to take a little bit off, about an inch, and then I'm gonna roll it in my hand here. I'm not very good at this. And then cut about an inch. Yeah, about an inch. Then, I have to find something that has lines. So Claudia had something from her mother that she's used forever. This is what I'm gonna use. See how that works. Looks pretty good. Just have to make a line and see what I mean? I don't know if you can see that lines in there. Why, I don't know. Don't ask me. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. Then I'm gonna do a few more and I'm gonna fry it and then cut this and okay. And then do that to make the design. I don't know why, if that's got to do with the frying or anything, but that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm gonna fry them and show you. And then I'll do the rest and show you. Yeah, I think you can see that. Cut that. Okay. This might be a little bit bigger. Might have to cut this in. Might have to cut that in half. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I think you can see it. And after you make this, like roll it out about an inch, maybe just a little bit bigger than an inch. A little bit bigger than an inch. Then get your whatever you're going to use to make these lines in it. I think they're important. Oh, sorry, not my recipe. See the lines? Okay, now I'm going to take it to my fryer. The frying pan. La 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 la. She's waiting for me to fry up the la ta da ti da da la la da da. It's kind of hard to do this on your own, so forgive me. Is it ready? Not quite ready yet. It's a lot of oil. And there they are. They're frying. And then when they turn golden brown, they're done. And then I'm going to put them in here to drain some of the oil. Okay. So we'll wait for them to golden brown. And there they are. Nice and golden brown. I'm going to take them out right here so they can drain some oil off of them. See? You see the bottom. Yep, everything is golden brown. Beautiful. I'm going to take them out. Okay. I'm going to put them in here. Take them out. Drain them. Put them in here. I've got a paper towel there to get the excess oil. And I'm going to do the same with the rest. Take them out. Put them in here. And I'm going to add more. And fry up some more. Okay? Get back to you when it's time to chow down and taste them. Turdilli tidbits are done. I think I might do a few with honey, or you can do it, dip them in icing sugar. Up to you. I like them plain, but I might do a few with honey. There, these ones I've put some honey and water in the frying pan, and the other ones are just plain. That's the way I like them. And these are glazed with honey. And you could put them again with icing sugar. Please subscribe, like, and share. Signora says good night for now. Ciao.